Yo, yo, check it out now.
What's up guys, back again with another Throwback Thursday video. This one being from 2006. The box is long gone because I bought this in London. This pair of Air Force Ones, bought them in London, and when you fly Ryanair, anyone who's flown Ryanair knows that you can't bring feck all baggage, so I had to leave the box behind, but it's okay, I wore them home. Great pair of kicks. So throwing back to 2005, 2006, I was like hunting on eBay like all the time. Like Air Force Ones were the job. Like I bought my first pair of Air Force Ones in 2003 I think, but I wanted the all white pair. They were mostly all white as you can see, but I was also looking at getting camo print ones, but I think they only made them in kid sizes at the time. So when I went to London on a weekend holiday, I spotted these and I thought, yeah, I'll grab those up. So as you can see, they used to have an icy sole. Cool little swoosh detail there underneath, and this reminded me of like parquet flooring. Can you see the detail in the leather? Pretty funny. But there's not really much to say about Air Force Ones. Like everybody knows them, they're a classic shoe, and I thought it would be pretty funny to show these now, considering the Air Force Ones, the Supreme Air Force Ones came out last week. Everybody hopped on them like hype beast mode. I don't wear these too much anymore because I have so many pairs of shoes, but I did wear them an awful lot back in the day, and I always kept the strap open, and I just kind of put the lace through so it wouldn't swing open, because that would just drive me nuts if that were swinging open. But it's still a pretty classic shoe, and I'd say there's going to be a bit of a revival again, but at the minute it's only kind of Supreme hype beast rocking Air Force Ones at the minute. So yeah, what are your guys' opinions on these? Love the old classic Nike Air and the insole. I actually probably would have liked these better if it didn't have the black here. I would have liked an all white version, but the icy sole definitely was cool back when it was icy. It's kind of yellow now, but yeah, done a lot of miles in these. Good quality leather. They held up well to all the seasons and whatnot. So yeah, what's your thoughts on Air Force Ones? Did you hop on the hype beast bandwagon, or were you always a fan of Air Force Ones a la Nelly style? I guess that's about it for this week's Throwback Thursday 2006 Air Force Ones, and I'll see you guys again soon for the next Throwback Thursday video.